Hello children, a pleasant good morning to you all. Is everyone ready for your science class? Good. Now we are learning block 10, functions of leaves. Let's take a look at previous topics. In this block we learned about leaves make food, photosynthesis and importance of photosynthesis. First, leaves make food. The leaves of a plant make food and stored it in the form of starch. The food prepared in the leaves is transported to all other plant parts. So, the leaves are also known as the kitchen of a plant or the food factory of a plant. We saw an experiment through the demonstration video in this topic, right? In the demonstration video, first cover the leaf with black pepper for 4 or 5 days. Then the leaf was placed in boiling water. After that, dipped the leaves in the spirit and washed them. Then added a few drops of iodine solution on the leaf. When the iodine solution has added, the part of the leaf that was not covered with black pepper turned blue-black color, and the part of the leaf that was covered with black pepper did not change color. The black pepper did not allow sunlight to reach the leaf. Therefore, it was not able to make any food. So, the conclusion of the experiment shows that plants need sunlight to make food in leaves. Okay? Next, photosynthesis. Plants need water, air, and sunlight to make food. The process by which leaves make food is known as photosynthesis. The process by which leaves make food is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means make. Photosynthesis means making food in the presence of light. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. The whole process of photosynthesis is a transfer of energy from the sun to a plant. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight, roots absorb water, leaves take up carbon dioxide. The chlorophyll present in leaves absorbs the sunlight. This in turn makes water and carbon dioxide form food and oxygen. The food is then transported to all parts of a plant and oxygen is given out in the air. The extra food is stored in the form of starch in leaves and other plant parts. Next, importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis helps plants to make their food. Animals and humans depend on plants for food. Plants also give out oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals and humans breathe in this oxygen to live. If plants stop photosynthesis, they will not able to make food for themselves and will finally die. We will not get oxygen to breathe. A lot of carbon dioxide is released in the air from vehicles and the burning of fuels. Even living beings breathe out carbon dioxide. Too much carbon dioxide in the air causes pollution. Plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and help to reduce its level in the air. Okay? These are the points we discussed in the previous class. Now let's begin today's class. How will a plant look fresh or dry if we don't water it for 2 days? How will a plant look if we don't water it for 2 days? Fresh or dry? Yes, it becomes dry. Plants become dry if we do not water them often. Do plants use all the water they get from the soil to make food? No, plants do not use all the water for photosynthesis. Some of it is given out by plants. Today we will learn about the process through which plants give out water. So the aim is to prove that stomata help in transpiration. Today our aim is prove that stomata help in transpiration. Put the video on pause and write the aim in your notebook. I hope you have completed it. Come on, let's start today's topic, transpiration. Here are some keywords we will use in this topic: transpiration, stomata, microscope. Let's learn the pronunciation. Come on.
Transpiration. Transpiration. Stomata. Stomata. Microscope. Microscope.
I hope you learned the pronunciation of keywords. Now we will learn the meaning of these keywords. First, transpiration. Transpiration is a process by which plants lose excess water through their leaves. Transpiration is the loss of water from a plant in the form of water vapor. Water is absorbed by roots from the soil and transported as a liquid to the leaves via xylem. In the leaves, small pores allow water to escape as a vapor. Next, stomata. Tiny pores on leaves. Stomata are minute openings found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other plant organs. Stomata allow gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen to diffuse into and out of the internal tissues of the plant. Next, microscope. Microscope is an instrument used for looking at very small things. The microscope is an instrument that produces enlarged images of small objects, allowing the observer an exceedingly close view of minute structures at a scale convenient for examination and analysis. I believe you learned the meaning of these keywords. Now you can write the keyword and their meaning in your notebook. I hope you have done. Next, demonstration. Along with this video, I have posted a demonstration video of an experiment that shows that transpiration takes place in plants. Put this video on pause and watch the demonstration video carefully. After that, come back to this video. I hope you watched the demonstration video. Now tell me, how do the two polythene bags look different? How did the two polythene bags look different in the demonstration video? Yes, bag 1 has water droplets. In bag 1, some water droplets inside the polythene bag and no changes in bag 2. Why do we see water droplets on the inner surface of bag 1 but not bag 2? Why do we see water droplets on the inner surface of bag 1 but not bag 2? Think and write the answer in your notebook. I hope you have done. Let's see the answer. Bag 1 is tied around a plant, so we see water droplets on its inner surface. Water droplets show water removed by the plant. Okay? Which part of the plant removes excess water? Which part of the plant removes excess water? Yes, it is leaves. The leaves of a plant remove excess water. This process is called transpiration. It is a process by which water moves from the soil into the leaves. Leaves have tiny holes or openings called stomata that help them to remove extra water. The water warmed by the sun turns into water vapor and passes through the tiny pores on the leaf surface. Most of the stomata are present on lower surface of the leaves. We can see these holes if we keep a leaf under the microscope. Have you understood? Good. Next, main functions of transpiration. Transpiration has two main functions that are transpiration helps to keep the plants cool and it helps water and minerals rise a plant to the leaves for photosynthesis. Does transpiration happen in every plant? Why can't we see it every day? Yes, transpiration takes place in all plants. Transpiration takes place in every plant that grows on land. We cannot see this every day because the heat of the sun evaporates the water on leaves. Okay. Next HOTS question. Why is transpiration important for plants? Why is transpiration important for plants? Put the video on pause, think and write the answer in your notebook. I hope you have done. Let's see the answer. Transpiration helps to keep the plants cool. Plants transpire more on a hot, sunny day as compared to a cool day. This process is similar to sweating. Humans sweat more on a hot day to keep the body cool. Did you get it? Nice. Next, practice questions. In your content book, question number 7 and 8 are your today's homework. The questions are: what is transpiration? What is transpiration? Next question. How is the rate of transpiration different in deserts and mountain regions? How is the rate of transpiration different in deserts and mountain regions? Give a reason for your answer. Next, worksheet questions. In S4, first question. A boy covered two plants with plastic bags. In which bag will the droplets of water be seen after 3 days? A boy covered two plants with plastic bags. In which bag will the droplets of water be seen after 3 days? Second question. Sam kept a leaf under a microscope. He sees many stomata on it. What is the role of stomata in transpiration? What is the role of stomata in transpiration? Question number 3a. In which season, summer or winter, will the rose plant transpire more? Give a reason. In which season will the rose plant transpire more? Summer or winter? Give a reason for your answer. Question number 3b. How does transpiration help the rose plant? How does transpiration help the rose plant? Next, question of the day. Many tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called dash. I repeat the question. Many tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called dash. Answer the question of the day in your online exam section. Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, what are the two main functions of transpiration? What are the two main functions of transpiration? Answer this question in your comment section. That's all for today. Do the practice questions in your notebook, worksheet questions in your workbook. After completing your homework, get a sign from your parents in the planner. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.